Thanks for staying with us. Time now for us to look at the latest updates in the world of business. And talking about the updates, let's look at how the city's performance has been from last week till today. Well, the financial author, Dr. Bernard Otabil, says despite the stability of the city on the interbank market, its continuous fluctuating nature is not healthy for businesses and the economy. This he attributes to limited supply of dollars on the market. Appreciation of the Ghana cedi against the dollar appears to be ending. Over the past 5 days, the local currency has seen some marginal depreciation. The Ghana cedi depreciated marginally by about 0.04% compared to the almost 8% jump in value recorded every week over the past 23 days. The cedi started its depreciation rising from 3 cedis 26 pesos to 3 cedis 28 pesos from Tuesday, July 21. Figures from the Bank of Ghana shows the cedi has remained stable from then, trading at 3 cedis 28 pesos to the dollar. There are fears, however, the stability will change to 3 cedis 50 pesos by close of the week. Some market watchers believe the central bank's $20 million support needs a relook.
Are we saying that on a daily basis, if indeed the Bank of Ghana is pumping 20 million into the market, we actually absorb the whole of the 20 million out of the system? I doubt it. And I think that the bank can come up and say, well, when we announced this policy initiative, how much of it, was actually absorbed out of the banking sector? Conservatively, some are saying about 7-8 million were really absorbed.
The Bank of Ghana is poised with its daily supply of $20 million onto the market, despite these fears.
When you say you are putting in 20 million, it doesn't mean that every day you are putting in 20 million, because sometimes the market cannot take it. But there are occasions where if the demand is there, we even sell more, about 50 million. If you look at in the past, we've been doing that.
With this support, the central bank believes the cedi will once again appreciate against the dollar. Some economists also argue the cedi's appreciation should be handled carefully, since this could affect foreign exchange earnings, especially that of exporters.
If you have a cedi today swinging from 3 to 4 cedis 50 pesos, then it comes down, boom, to 3.28 and that sort of thing. That in itself is not a good thing for anyone. Because if you are planning ahead, you are likely to have difficulties, because you can't really at any point in time say that I'm going to put X amount of money away in order to support a cedi that is hovering around 3.5.
And today, if you move on to the interbank market, you get the cedi to the dollar buying and selling at 3 Ghana cedis and 28 pesos. So let's see how the trend would be like for the rest of the week. Let's still stay on issues of money, as government is set to raise another $1.5 billion Eurobond on the international market this September. The date, which is subject to change depending on market conditions, will focus on foreign investors. Some analysts say the timing may not be right because some investors may just be returning from their summer holidays. Ghana paid about 9% interest on the last Eurobond issued, and government is hoping to use proceeds from this Eurobond to finance projects in the budget and pay off portions of the previous bond that will be maturing in 2017. Now, the issuance of this Eurobond makes it the 4th to be issued by the government on the international market. Away from the money markets now, cultural differences and instability of the economy are factors preventing some international financial institutions from granting credit facilities to Ghanaian entrepreneurs. Now, President of the Association of Ghana Industries, James Asare-J, explained such challenges impede the growth of the private sector.
If you look at German banking standards, some of them are really unfamiliar to us, and in some cases, it deters local businesses in really trying to attract foreign funding.
At the Helaba Business Excellence Awards in Accra, the AGI president bemoaned the high cost of capital and interest rate is making a lot of businesses in the country unproductive. Currently, the Bank of Ghana's interest rate is pegged at 22%. Minister in charge of public-private sector, Rashid Pelpo, expressed worry about foreign investors taking over private sector businesses.
At the moment, all the projects we have on PPP, 90% of them are foreign investors who are bidding for them. The huge infrastructure requirements and the huge costs involved is not being patronized by Ghanaian domestic business persons.
On Tuesday, July 22, the Finance Minister said Tekwe assured Parliament the Ghanaian economy was picking up following the introduction of conditionalities under the IMF bailout program. Subsequently, Parliament approved 865 million cedis as loan to supplement the 2015 budget.